Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Panasonic DVD VCR combo to show you. The model number is PV-D4743. Alright, before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Did you know that June 7th is National VCR Day? Now you can celebrate that and add it to your calendar. But first of all, this Panasonic, or really any Panasonic DVD VCR, it'll probably be the last one you buy. These things are built to last forever, okay? So this one right here is really good. So on the rear panel, you've got your standard composite input and output for DVD and VHS playback, and the input is for recording onto VHS. And then you've got a tuner input and output, so you can watch cable TV. And then you've got your component output, that's for DVD only. And then you've got your digital audio optical output, and you've got an S-video output. So to get it all going, you just plug in the power cable, and then you take your composite audio video cable and just match up the colors under the out, not the in. And then once you've got it all set up, you should get a signal to your TV without a problem. You may need to change the input if you don't. And then you can insert a VHS. Playback will begin automatically with the remote. You can switch between DVD and VCR. And then you've got your action button, so you can access the menus. And then you've got your play and your stop button, your fast forward buttons. You've got some other buttons that you can use for other settings. We'll go ahead and insert a DVD. You've also got an eject button on the remote, so that you don't have to get up to change the disc, or so you don't have to get up to eject the disc. You still need to get up to change the disc. And then playback will begin on that when it's done loading. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this combo. You just play back your DVDs and your VHS tapes, all with one remote. But if you want to order one, give us a call or check out our online store.